Surprise egg! Surprise egg! It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, la cucaracha. All she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice how it is missing. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web up. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high, and the water is splashing a lot, very much all around.
Yay! Enjoy your favorite Cleo and Cuquin videos on TV. Find us on Android TV, Fire TV, and Roku. Download it now.
Ha! Ha! Whoa! Oh! Oops! It fell. Orange! Whoa! Oh! Ha!
Orange Play-Doh.
Orange ball.
Ball? No. Orange egg. Huh?
Ha! Oh. Huh?
Oh?
Big orange egg.
Big orange pony. So pretty.
Orange pony.
Yay!
Purple. Huh? Oh.
Like this, Cuquín.
Pink egg.
Pink Play-Doh. Huh?
Big pink egg. Big pink pony.
It's very big.
Pink pony. Oh, blue. Huh? Huh? Huh?
Blue Play-Doh.
Blue egg.
Ha!
Big blue egg. Big blue pony.
Hi, Pony.
Ha! Wee!
Yay!
Purple. Oh?
No Play-Doh? Huh.
Purple Play-Doh. Huh? Purple egg. Big purple egg.
A purple pony corn?
Purple pony corn.
Ponies are my friends.
Orange pony. Pink pony. Blue pony. Purple pony corn.